Obviously, the 911 is going to be one of your favorite cars if you are a car person. Our good friend Kevin brought this Porsche in to us. We're doing a full 10 mil wrap on it. The wrap actually just got done. We did something a little different. The customer wanted to stand out a little bit. We actually put our stealth film on the hood to give the hood an actual matte finish to make it look just a little bit different, kind of like the GT3 look. And on top of that, it's waiting for ceramic now. Caleb's going to get to that, and it'll be good to go back to Kevin tomorrow. Behind me in the PPF bay is this TRX Ram. We're doing a full track pack on it. The track package with paint protection film is going to be your full front plus the rockers, so he has no problem driving down the road worried about rocks kicking up. This C8 came in, it's getting the works as well. This is getting a full 10 mil paint protection wrap on it, and then we're going to seal it up with the 8-year ceramic once Aaron and Max are all done with it. Then the Subaru is a little bit different. This customer, the sun's coming in right through where the vent shade area is, and it's blocking him when he's trying to drive, so we're actually using taillight tint. We're going to tint those vent shades just to make it a little bit darker to see if that helps him with the sun. Then coming back here, Max is just throwing a partial roof on this Subaru Crosstrek real quick. This customer, something happened, I think a rock came up and smacked the windshield, and he had film on the full front, pillars, and the film across the top. Max is just replacing that film right across the top there that got damaged, and it'll be good to go back to the customer. Then right behind John is this brand new 2025 Cadillac. Beautiful car. I don't know if the camera's catching this pearl white that looks awesome with the ceramic coating on it. This got our Expel Fusion ceramic coating. Caleb's finishing the windows up on that right now, and that'll be ready to go back to the customer tomorrow. Another thing we did on the Cadillac, actually, when they were dropping off, they found out about paint protection film, so we actually added the front end on the Cadillac to help them for daily driving, not worried about rock chips. Then in the wash bay, we got this big bad GMC 3500. This came in for the ceramic coating just on the cab. He has a utility bed on the back, so we just did the coating on the cab of it. JM is cleaning up the interior, so it's good to go back to the customer tomorrow. Coming outside, blistering this cold weather, we got two cars out here. We got this Rolls-Royce Cullinan. This is a great customer of ours, Dr. Amaluf. We are doing a gray aluminum matte metallic full wrap on this. So we're changing the color from this gloss black to this awesome matte gray aluminum color. That's a project that's going to actually start tomorrow, and stay tuned because you'll be able to check out the finished product next week. Two down from it is just a Tesla we had come in just for the annual checkup. That's all we have here in Latrobe. Let's kick it over to Gibby and see what Luke's got going on.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. To my right is a brand new Ford F-150 Raptor. This got paint protection film on the full front clip, rocker panels, A-pillars, partial roof. We also did a ceramic coating on the entire vehicle and tinted the two front windows to match the factory tint. Next up is one of our full wraps of the week. This is a Lexus GX. Right now it is a gloss, we'll call it a forest green color. It's soon to be satin. So it's getting a full stealth paint protection film wrap, a 4-year ceramic coating, and we previously this week tinted the two front windows to match the factory tint. Over here we got Mark doing his thing on this GMC Sierra. This got the two front windows to match the factory tint. It's getting a full polish and a 4-year ceramic coating. Next up is a brand new Tesla Model Y. This got the two front windows, 20% to match the factory tint, and it is next in line for a polish and 8-year Fusion Plus premium ceramic coating. In the tint bay is a new BMW M3. This got paint protection film on the full front and lower rockers. And now Cole is doing the tint. We're doing the Prime XR 70%. This is going to be a virtually clear tint so we can show off the interior still while staying cool and comfortable. In the wash bay, we got Jason prepping a new BMW X5. This is from our friends at Swickley Car Store. This is getting our full front paint protection film package. In the PPF bay is a Cybertruck. As you can see, this is just about done. We're doing a gloss black paint protection film wrap on it. We have the front and back bumper to do, but as you can see, it's now gloss black and protected. We're also going to be doing a 4-year ceramic coating on the entire vehicle, including the wheels and calipers. Our second full wrap of the week is this GMC Sierra 2500. This is also getting a stealth conversion. We're going to be protecting the entire vehicle. We also tinted the two front windows to match the factory tint, and it's also getting a ceramic coating. Next up is a Tesla Model S. This got a full stealth wrap last year and was involved in an accident. He was rear-ended. So we're going to be redoing the pieces on the back trunk, back quarter panel, and back bumper. That's it for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
That's all we got this week, guys. Make sure to like, follow, and subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you next week. Thanks for tuning in.